Now also, great feature in this car, the sound system's great as well. If we go to our iTunes, I'll turn that down, but you can see there Tucson. Red triangle, the 3 red circles. If there's no tick next to it for any reason, just click on there, make sure there's a tick. We'll go back, we'll click play. Now, we'll go to media. It's already on the Bluetooth audio, but see there, media, you've got several, maybe you've got a USB stick plugged in, or your iPod, or it's on auxiliary. So you just have to click media, make sure that Bluetooth selected. It is. You've got another option there, options, sound settings. So you can change all that, but at this moment in time, we just want to play this. I'll turn that up to a reasonable volume. I'll control it from my iPhone because I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But just to prove it has worked. There you go. That's how you stream audio.